So the principal charge that A. Raja leveled against the AIDMK government was one of corruption and of huge anti-incumbency after 10 years of being in power. Mafoi Pandeyarajan, why is it that you believe that despite the charges of corruption and that he's accusing you of being a slave to the BJP government at the center, that OPS and EPS are dancing to the tunes of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is why he believes you and your party will be rejected by the voters of Tamil Nadu. Why is it, sir, that you believe that the AIDMK deserves another term?
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity. I think honestly, it's right, Tamil Nadu is very unique. I think in terms of the development of politics in Tamil Nadu, it's always been woven with the philosophy of the Dravidian philosophy, as they call. And that's been very unique in my view. And we believe we hold the right to the legacy of the Dravidian philosophy in Tamil Nadu. The kind of politics Puratchi Thalaivar MGR took on, it was also woven with the identity politics, identities of different kinds, okay? Like MGR stood for a very inclusive, at the same time, a very humane kind of a polity, okay? Much as DMK, which always used to accuse MGR of an outsider. They used to very blatantly call him a Malayali, but he was the one who won the hearts of Tamil people for a long, long time, for many, many years. And then Amma took on the legacy of MGR and again continued with a stream of welfare politics, the kind of welfare politics where everything needed by people was provided by the state. And that's a very clear identity that
you are
took on.
confusing yourself with the legacy of MGR and Jayalalitha
Yes.
with the Dravidian identity
I think
policy.
so, in my view.
See, Dravidian ideology is altogether something different concept.
The Dravidian interpretation of DMK is
No, not
anti-Hindu,
DMK.
anti-Hindi,
that-
anti-Brahmin.
no.
That was your woven Dravidian concept.
What is
That's
that?
not our Dravidian concept. The Dravidian concept that was symbolized by MGR and Amma
what
is
does
very
it mean?
different from... No,
What is
just
it?
because-
See,
Yeah,
that
I'm
you are
saying
not
that.
understanding Dravidian
No, I'm
ideology.
saying that. No.
See, Dravidian, yes.
Dravidian,
see, I do
you
admit.
hold no patent right
wait,
for
wait, wait.
Dravidian
I do
interpretation.
admit. I do
Raja
admit in
sir, please allow me my time. Come late.
You are
No,
misgiving.
this is not fair.
Misgiving.
You can't intrude like this.
My brother,
please, please,
1919, non-Brahmin
continuously
manifesto was
intruding-
given by the past Dravidian
was
parties.
intruding into other people's space, even intruding into cyberspace. You are in a deep mess today. DMK as a party.
You are completely
Let me
giving
complete
wrong
what I
picture to
say.
the public.
The Dravidian ideology, as internalized, interpreted, extrajected by DMK, is not the one we stand for. Their Dravidian means anti-Hindu, anti-Brahmin, and anti-Hindi. This is the only three planks on which
Mr.
they
Raja,
stand.
respond to this perception in the rest of the country that your party is an anti-Hindu, anti-Hindi party.
And anti-Brahmin. Complete that. These are the triad on
Let
which they
A.
stand
Raja
on.
respond to that.
What does it mean, Hinduism and Hindu? What did you understand about the Hindu? When the word came into existence, is it in the Tamil literature? I am not against Hindus. You see the communal equations. What is the Hindu religion? It is the assortment of caste. Any one of the backward class or scheduled caste. You go and ask in Tamil Nadu, do you feel Hindu? I will feel scheduled caste. He will feel Counter. He will feel Nadars. He will feel Kallas. He will feel Mudaliyar. Who will feel Hindu? This is a unique system in Tamil Nadu.
That's a
Because-
myth.
Wait,
That's a
wait,
myth
wait,
being
wait,
carried.
wait. Please wait, boss.
That's a myth being carried,
See,
perpetuated.
Can you find a word? Can you find a word Hindu in Tamil literature? For 2000 years. 2005, you take 5000 years. Can you find a Hindu word? Here, silent is. Wait,
your
wait,
leader
wait.
gave an interpretation
Please,
of
please.
Hindu
Don't interfere now.
as
It is
a
my space.
thief.
It is my space.
The interpretation.
I will tell you. I will tell you.
gave-
I will tell you. I will come to you. I will not fear for you. I will come to you. Where is Hindu is a thief? It is not.
Your,
No. Wait.
your
wait,
leader said
wait,
that
Wait.
in St.
I come to
Andrew's
you.
Cathedral.
Yes, I will come to you. Please. Come
No,
on.
why are you
Right.
getting so
No.
intolerant?
No,
Please
no.
speak.
No,
This
Please
is on
speak.
record.
I am patient. Kamalapadi Tirupati, you know the cabinet minister of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was a Sanskrit Pandit. He wrote a book, Tamil Hindu dictionary, which was in the Sabda Sagar, Our leader gave the evidence in the newspaper.
Hindu means thief,
Huh?
which is what Kamalpati Tripathi wrote.
Yes, yes, yes.
And you quote it in
It
St.
is in the
Andrew's
published
Church,
public-
right here.
No, no.
You
In
quote
the
it in St.
Saptasaga,
Andrew's
that is-
Church
in the
and
Saptas-
say Hindu means thief,
Not, see,
which is what you said.
I am telling you,
Yes.
I am telling.
Yes.
Four meanings is given by Kamalapati Tirupati. By birth he is a Brahmin, I think. A whole Hindu
Boss.
mind. He says, wait,
Mr.
Wait,
Raja
John.
hasn't had a
So
chance to
deeply
speak in
rooted.
many years. So there's a lot of catching up to do. So he's
advertisement,
really giving.
sir, advertisement was given by his own caste of Dr. Karunanidhi in all Tamil dailies, where I got the news.
Rahul.
Yeah.
Which one?
No, no.
You also got another news.
It is
He
not
asked
our
another
idea.
question.
No.
It is not our idea. It
which
is
college-
Kamalapati Tirupati.
He also said which
Rahul,
college
I-
did
what
Ram graduate from? Lord Ram, is he an engineer? Which
Who?
college did Lord Ram graduate from?
Who?
Your own leader's golden words of wisdom, on which your entire anti-Hindu rhetoric is anchored.
Nothing. See,
No,
we are not Hindus.
Rahul.
We are not
Rahul.
Hindus. See, we ourselves calls Dravidians, Tamil Dravidians.
Yeah.
See, C.P. Ramaswamy, who is having high knowledge in Southern language and the Sanskrit, he admitted in his book, in India, there are two cultures. I am not telling that they are two races. There are two cultures. One is based on Sanskrit, another is based on the Tamil and other such language, Malayalam, Karnataka, and Tulu, and all languages. There are two different cultures. This culture, Dravidian culture, there is no script, there is no any word for Hindu. Whereas we are deeply rooted with the theological sense. That does not mean we are anti-God. Yes, we are having our own theological values,
Yeah.
which is broadly broadly divided into two. Only Saivam, that is Saivit, and the Vishnavas. That is Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is known for Lord, and Perumal is known for Tamil Nadu, the Dravidian idealism. So two literatures are there. Then who gave the word? William Jones in 1784, who came here as administrator, who identified the people. These people are Muslims. These people are Christians. These people of this religion. What about others? They are different castes. Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
no,
So,
you-
let
no,
GVL respond. Mr. Raja, let GVL respond.
I will finish it. I will
You've
finish it.
spoken.
No, you
I
can
will
have
finish
a
it.
separate session with
Yeah,
him.
Mr.
but-
I will
Raja,
finish
you've
it. I
spoken.
will finish
Sir,
it.
you've spoken.
Here, wait.
No.
You are
British
finished,
people
boss.
came, they ruled us, they identified Muslims, they identified Christians. Remaining people are scattered.